नमस्सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य प्रौढमनोरमावर्गे प्रथमः पाठः संज्ञाप्रकरणे प्रथमः भागः आगस्ट् मासस्य 17 दिनाङ्कः। From today we will start the Praudhamanorama of Bhattoji Dikshita. So the Mangala Shloka of Praudhamanorama is this. So I will teach, so you can all just repeat. Dhyayam dhyayam param brahma smaram smaram guror giraha siddhanta kaumudi vyakhyam kurmah praudhamanoramaam. Param Brahma Dhyayam Dhyayam Guroh Girah Smaram Smaram Siddhanta Kaumudi Vyakhyam Praudhamanoramaam Kurmah. Iti Mangala Shlokaha. So Dhyayam Dhyayam Smaram Smaram iti Namulanta Prayogo. Those are words ending in a suffix called Namul. It indicates repetitive effort. Okay, so Dhyayam Dhyayam is again and again meditating upon Param Brahma, the ultimate spirit or the supreme spirit, Parabrahma. Gurohu Giraha and Smaram Smaram, remembering again and again Gurohu Giraha, the words of my Guru. Siddhanta Kaumudi Vyakhyam Praudhamanoramaam Kurmaha. So this is by Bhattoji Dikshita. So he says, I will do, or I will create this Praudhamanorama, which is a commentary on the Siddhanta Kaumudi. So Bahuvachana is there. Atmani Bahuvachanam is a popularly accepted usage. So Karomi ityartheva kurmaha iti prayogaha. Dhyayam Dhyayam Param Brahma Smaram Smaram Guror Giraha Siddhanta Kaumudi Vyakhyam Kurmaha Praudhamanoramaam. Hakaraha Eka eva varnaha yaha Maheshwara Sutreshu Dvivaram Shruyate. The only letter which is repeated in the Maheshwara Sutras is Hakara. So Kaumudi does not note the fact or mention why it is so. So the first thing which he takes in Manorama is this Hayavarat. Prathamaha Hakara Nirdeshaha. Kimartham? Hakaropadeshaha at ash hash in grahaneshu hakara grahanarthaha. So Hayavarat ityatra hakaropadeshaha at ash hash in grahaneshu hakara grahanarthaha. So he says the hakara in Hayavarat is for hakara to be included in at ash hash in eteshu chaturshu pratyahareshu hakarasya grahanam apekshiyate. Tadartham atra hakara grahanam. So his inclusion of hakara is to ensure that hakara is included in these four pratyaharas. At, ash, hash, in. Chatvaraha pratyaharaha. Kim prayojanam? Hakarasya etaihi pratyaharehi grahane kim prayojanam ityapitadati arhena advyavayepi iti natvam. Arhena. Prakriya, you should remember because this is easy, from the Pullinga, Ajanta Pullinga. Arha iti akarantam pratipadikam. Ta, which is the ta pratyaya, which vibhakti, which vachana. Tritiya, tritiya ekavachane ta pratyayaha. Swauja samauchhash tabhyambhis nyebhyambhis ityadina ta pratyayaha. Ta pratyaye takarasya Chutu ityanena itsamya tasya lopaha ityanena lopaha. So we have a, arha, a. Tataha tang asingasam inaksyaha ityanena ta pratyayasya sthane ina iti adeshaha kriyate. Arha, ina. Adgunaha ityanena gune arhena. Atkupangum nivayepi ityanena natve अर्हेण इति रूपम्. तत्र कथमस्ति अट् कुप् आङ् नुम् अट् कु पु आङ् नु व्यवायेपि किमुच्यते एतैः व्यस्तैः यथासम्भवं मिलितैश्च व्यवायेपि रसाभ्यां परस्य नस्य णत्वं स्यात्. So nakara is converted to nakara if it is preceded by repha, and between the repha and the nakara any of these are present. So if the separation is only by these letters, then we have natva. At, ku, pu, kavargaha, pavargaha, ang, num, etaihi vyavaye natvam bhavati, anyaihi varnaihi vyavaye natvam na bhavati. So only if repha and nakara are separated by one of these letters, we have natva. If there is any other letter in between, we will not have natva. So idanim kim asti repha asti, rephanantaram hakaraha ekaraha nakaraha. Right? So repha and nakara are separated by h and a. Ekaraha at pratyahare grihyate. Hakaraha adadibhihi vyavadhane natvam vidhiyate. Ati hakarasya grahanabhave. If hakara is not included here. Hayavarat iti sutre yadi hakarasya upadeshaha nasti tada at pratyahare hakarasya grahanam na syat. Hakarasya ati grahanam yadi nasti tarhi natvam na bhavati. So arhena ityatra natvam na syat. So we would not have nakara, natva in arhena if hakara is not included in at. So to include hakara in the at pratyahara, Panini or the Maheshwara himself has included hakara in the sutra. At pratyahare hakara grahanasya prayojanam arhena ityatra natvam. Deva hasanti bho bhago iti rohu yatvam. Devas hasanti iti arabhate. Deva iti shabdat prathama vibhaktau bahuvachane jas pratyayah. Deva as prathamayoh purva savarnah ityanena purva savarne devas ityasti. So devas hasanti iti sthite sasajusho ruhu ityanena rutvam. Devar hasanti. Tatah bho bhago agho apurvasya yoshi ityanena rephasya yatvam. Rohu yatvam. So devay hasanti. Lopashakalyasya ityanena yakarasya lope deva hasanti. Not lopashakalyasya, I think this is hali sarvesham ityanena lope deva hasanti iti rupam. So the form is deva hasanti, which is derived by applying sasajushoruhu bho bhago agho apurvasya and lopashakalyasya. Okay. So bho bhago agho apurvasya yaha ashi. Ashi pare rohu yatvam vidhiyate. So ru is converted to yakara when it is preceded by akara apurvasya. Ashi pare ashvarane pare yatvam vidhiyate when followed by ash. Yadi ashi hakarasya grahanam na syat. If hakara is not included in ash, then we would not have yakara. So ru cannot be converted to ya because the following letter is not ash. Hakaraha yadi ash pratyahare na grihyate tarhi atra yatvam na syat. So there would not have been yakara and the form deva hasanti cannot be derived if hakara is not included in ash. So hakarasya at pratyahare grahanasya prayojanamasti, ash pratyahare grahanasyapi prayojanamasti. Yes, the sutra for lopa is hali sarvesham. Lopa shakalyasya is ashi. Hali tu hali sarvesham ityanena lopa. So I'll correct that. So then he says hash pratyaharepi hakarasya grahanam apekshyate. Devo hasati ityasti. Devas hasati. Deva su prathama vibhaktau ekavachane su pratyayah. Devas hasati ityasti. Sashishoruhu ityanena rutve deva hasati. Hashicha ityanena utvam vidhiyate. So when followed by hash, the rep ru is converted to u. The previous one was yatva for rohu. Bho bhago agho apurvasya yaha ashi. अत्र तु हसि च अतः ह्रस्वाकारात् परस्य रोः हसि परे उत्वं भवति. देव उ हसति आद्गुणः इत्यनेन गुणे देवो हसति इति रूपम्. अत्र यदि हश् प्रत्याहारे हकारस्य ग्रहणं नास्ति तर्हि उत्वं न स्यात्. हसि परे अतः परस्य रोः उत्वं विधीयते. हसि च सेस् अतः परस्य रोः उत्वं स्यात् हसि. Okay. So हसि परे उत्वं विधीयते. So हसि ग्रहणाभावे उत्वं न स्यात्. So there would not have been utva if hakara is not included in hash. Okay. And the last one he says is in. In grahane hakarasya grahanam apekshate. लिलिहिद्धे विभाषेटः इति वा ढः. So this is a prakriya from tingantas. Okay, so far we had sandhi and subantas. This is tinganta. Lih dhatoho lit lakarah. Tatra dhvam madhyama purushe bahuvachane dhvam pratyayah. Tiptasthi siptastha ityadina dhvam pratyayah. So titatmane padanam tere ityanena yatve lih dhve द्वित्वं भवति लिट्लकारे लिटि धातोरनभ्यासस्य इत्यनेन लिह् लिह् द्वे हलादिशेषः इत्यनेन शेषे लि लिह् द्वे आर्धधातुकस्य ड्वलादेः. दिस इज द सूत्र which we need now and the one after it. So आर्धधातुकस्य ड्वलादेः इत्यनेन इडागमः द्वे प्रत्ययस्य इट् आगमः लिलिह् इ द्वे इत्यस्ति. विभाषेटः इत्यनेन ढत्वं ढकारस्य ढकारादेशः मूर्धन्यादेशः विधीयते. So dha is converted to dha by vibhashetah. Okay. So it is optional. Vibhasha ityasya atah pakshe lilihi dve. Now the dhatva murdhanyadesha is given by vibhashetah. What does it say? Inah paresham shidhvam lunglitam dhakarasya itavyavadhane va murdhanyadesha. This is what the sutra says. Inah paresham, that is in, there should be an in letter following it if there is dhakara of shidhvam, lung or lit. Okay, this is litah dhakaraha, lit lakarasya dhakaraha. So tasya itavyavadhane. So there is an it between. There is in followed by it and there is dhakara of lit lakara. Okay, you can see in this step adhadhatukasya dwaladehe hakaraha asti, hakaraha in. In grahanam, what are the letters which are taken by in? In pratyaharena ke varnaah grihyante. Which are the letters which are covered by the pratyahara in? I to la. In pratyaharaha sarvada parena nakarena. Right? An grahanam purvena. An is always a I u. In is always I u r l a o I au h y v r l. Okay, so that is siddhanta. In grahanam sarvada parena nakarena. So hakara is in. So it is followed by the dhakara of lit. In between there is it. That is the ardhadhatukasya dwaladehe. So in such condition, the dhakara is optionally converted to dhakara. That is what vibhashetah states. Inah paresham shidhvam lunglitam dhakarasya itavyavadhane. So when the in and dhakara are separated by it, there is murdhanyadesha. That is dh is converted to dh. Now, if hakara is not included in, यदि हयवरट् इत्यत्र हकारस्य उपदेशः नास्ति तदा हकारस्य in ग्रहणेन ग्रहणं न स्यात्. सो यदि इनि हकारस्य ग्रहणं नास्ति तर्हि अत्र ढत्वं न स्यात्. इट इज नॉट षत्व ढत्व बिकॉज़ इनः परत्वं नास्ति. सो हकारस्य प्रयोजनं किं? व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ पुटिंग हकारा इन हयवरट्? हयवरट् इत्यत्र हकारस्य ग्रहणे चत्वारि प्रयोजनानि उक्तानि. चतुर्षु प्रत्याहारेषु हकारस्य ग्रहणार्थम् के प्रत्याहाराः? At. Which are the ones we studied? At, ash, hush and in. So that is what Dikshidhar says in the first sentence of the Manorama. Hakaropadeshaha at, ash, hush, in grahaneshu hakara grahanarthaha. Eshu chaturshu pratyahareshu hakarasya grahanam syat tadartham atra asmin maheshwara sutre hakaropadeshaha kriyate. At grahanasya kim prayojanam arhena ityatra natvam prayojanam. Ata vyavadhane natvam vidhiyate. Right? Ash grahanasya kim prayojanam deva hasanti ityatra ashipare roho yatvam vidhiyate. Ataha ashipare yatvam bhavet iti ash grahane hakarasya grahanasya prayojanam. Hash grahane prayojanam tu devaha hasati. Atra hashicha ityanena hashipare roho utvam vidhiyate. In grahanasya prayojanam vibhashetaha ityanena murdhanyadeshaha dhakaradeshaha lilihi dhve ityatra. So inah parasya dhakarasya murdhanyadeshaha vidhiyate. So for inclusion of hakara in these four pratyaharas, hakara has been included in hayavarat. So after this he will say why hakara in hal. Hari hakara grahanasya kim prayojanam iti agre uchyate, and we will see that in the next class. Yes, there is a typing error in this slide where it should say dhatvam nasyat. Inah paratva bhavat dhatvam nasyat. Right.